How do I clean my Tumble dryer filter? Tumble dryer fluff filters require cleaning after every drying cycle. If you do not clean them regularly, you may find that the clothes are not dried to the normal high standards. The fluff filters are located in the door area, which can be easily removed as shown. Wipe around the door area and filter cavity using a cloth to remove any residual fluff that has formed. Fluff on the filters should be white with the cloth on both the inside and the outside. The filters should then be run under the tap. And dried thoroughly with a tea towel. Repeat the same process for the second fluff filter. Once dry, the filters can be slotted securely back into position. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.